Hello, hi, and namaste everyone. So, guys, behalf of today's day, let's see what guidance are we getting from Mahabharat. Let's see. Okay, so here's the card, warrior. Beautiful card, beautiful picture, and what do you understand by this card? So, guys, with this card, the very first thing that I am channelizing is that, guys, whenever needed in your life, you need to become a warrior. For some of them, this is a message now. It's time for you to hold this sword in your hand. Like you have gone through a lot, like you have literally been going through a lot and all everything, but now is the time for you to become a warrior and give a fight. Now this fight really doesn't means that you have to take a sword and start fighting, but fight for your own good, fight for your justice. Now a lot of time people go through situations and all everything, they will say it's a karma, what can we do and all. Guys, do you know one thing, that fine, you have understood that this particular thing is your karma and all everything. First you were unaware about it, now you are quite aware about it. But you know what, guys, universe also sees one thing, that if now you are aware, what are you doing for yourself? You just cannot sit and just keep on going through the stuffs that are happening around you, right? You need to take action, you need to do something for yourself, right? It is even your duty to break that karmic cycle, not just keep on going what's happening around. So now is the time for you to become a warrior and give a fight for yourself. Now within few days, even Navratri is about to start, and behalf of that auspicious days, yes, you can take blessings of Ma Durga, you can take blessings of each and every goddess of every day, and you can give that fight. You can prepare yourself. This is what I am seeing with this card. And for some of them, I am also channelizing that, guys, fine, like wherever necessary, you do become you are a warrior for yourself, no doubt in that. But please be very mindful and careful where you need to be a real warrior, because at times only some sweet words of convincing, some sweetness can also change the situation, can also heal the situation, or can change the situation. Here you need not be in this such a form in some cases, in some situations. So be very mindful about it. But for them who are just going on bearing each and everything for years, not taking any action, just blaming on their karma and all, please, this is a message for you. Now is the time for you to become a warrior and give a fight, and no more bearing and all. So please acknowledge it. Thank you.